Oh man, the markets are erupting and we got to break them down in this video. Currently, it's about 11:15 a.m. on the East Coast. We have the S&P up 2.6%, the Nasdaq's up over 3.2%. We have the Russell up 2.5 as the Dow is up 1.9%, the VIX is down 3%, gold's at break even, and we have silver up over 1.1%. So in this video, we got a lot to break down. The markets, stocks, charts, and we're going to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and see where those are trading at here, right around 11:15, 11:30 a.m. on the East Coast. So sit back, relax, and let's get right into the video. And oh, by the way, if you guys want some free stocks, 6 free stocks from Webull with any deposit, that's linked down below, and 10 stocks from Moomoo, each up to $2,500 with a $100 deposit. That's also linked down below. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So like I mentioned, it's 11:15. The markets are erupting right now, and it looks like that rally that we saw, in terms of, starting last night, the futures were up. That's continuing, and we're currently about $13 roughly off the lows from just Friday here on SPY, and that's a 4% move, guys. If I show you all this 5-day chart, you can see we hit 362 in the morning on Friday. Now we're at 375, up almost 4%. Triple Q in that same time period, actually, I think Triple Q bottomed on Thursday. Let's see here if this wants to load. Come on, let's go, guys. Last I checked, 269 is where Triple Q bottomed out. That was on Thursday, and it's currently at 283. It is up over 5%. So by the looks of it, and you guys saw the title of this video, listen, I'm going to be honest. I am not buying this rally. I feel like this is simply a dead cat bounce. These markets got destroyed from June 9th roughly to about June 16th. So it was a straight week of destruction. Now we're just getting a bit of a dead cat bounce, a relief rally. I mean, look here on Triple Q. We're right at the 180 SMA on this 20-day chart. And mind you, we're still under the lows, or rather the highs from what day was that? Wednesday into Thursday. So we're at a big resistance right now. And sure, if Triple Q breaks 285, maybe we start making a move towards 290 plus. There could be more upside from there. But the technicals are not showing us a breakout quite yet. So by the looks of it, we're at a big resistance. And, we got to be careful here. Same thing with SPY. If I pull this up, you guys will be able to see SPY is currently at, it's plus 2.6% on the day, and it is slightly above the 50 SMA, but it's still clearly under the 180 SMA and under the highs from just about a week ago, and that high was at 280 to 282. So my Safari, what's going on here on Safari? Webull, okay, never mind. Sorry about that, guys. Safari's telling me something here about Webull. But going back to ThinkOrSwim, and you guys are still seeing here ThinkOrSwim, let's see what's going on in terms of some longer-term charts. And you guys are going to see it's a lot of the same that we've been saying. We're still on a downtrending channel here on SPY and on Triple Q. And sure, maybe we could get an extended rally, but we're just not getting that complete breakout yet. To me, this just simply looks like a dead cat bounce. So with that being said, let's dive over here to Webull and see what's going on when it comes to the crypto markets, guys, because the rally is also continuing here in crypto. Bitcoin's currently at 21,400, 500. Actually, now that I think about it, isn't that where it was when I filmed my video yesterday, that night video I made? I released it really late. It was about 9:30 on the East Coast when I dropped it. I think it was right around 21.5 in that video. So, it seems unchanged from that point. But overall, it's up massively, as you guys can clearly see, from that low just a couple of days ago. 17.5 a couple days ago. Now we're at 21.5. But I'm not buying this breakout on Bitcoin either. Honestly, I think Bitcoin, there's going to be a big resistance, a lot of selling pressure between 22 to 23K. Honestly, that was resistance back in, it was just recently, about a week ago, in the middle of June. We struggled at 23,000. We double topped there, then collapsed to 17.5. So I think we're going to get resistance there. I could be wrong. We might get a big push. If we do get a big push above 23, there could be an even bigger rally from there towards 26, 27, honestly, based off this chart that I'm seeing. But if we get rejected there, watch out below, I'm telling you. And kind of at this point with Bitcoin and the stock market as well, I'm kind of looking at a wait and see approach, or using a wait and see approach for the short term. I'm not looking to jump in on this. I'm kind of waiting to see, okay, what's going to happen later today and possibly even tomorrow. We'll see. So when it comes to Ethereum, let's pull that one up. It's a lot of the same. These technicals look literally the same. There's just different prices because obviously one's Bitcoin, one's Ethereum. You can see Ethereum hit 880. Now it's at 1175. I think 1250, 1200. That's going to be a big resistance coming up for Ethereum. So, yeah, I mean, we could get some selling pressure there, but if we get buying pressure above 1250, which is possible, currently Ethereum's up 4%. Same with Bitcoin. Maybe Ethereum sees a move towards the mid-thousands, 1450, 1500. I think that's where it could be going. So, yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And this is Webull. I like their charting. If you guys want to use that link down below, you also get 6 free stocks from Webull just by using that link, depositing any amount. And it also helps out the channel. It's kind of a win-win here. We get some money, guys. It's free money. And with that being said, let's dive back to ThinkOrSwim and see what's going on in the stock market in terms of some individual stocks. Let's look at GameStop, because last I checked, GameStop was moving towards 140. Did it break 140 yet? Let me double check here, guys. So GameStop, oh, look at that. There it goes, guys. It broke 140. It's up over 5% on the day, up $7 on the day. And by the looks of it, this could be going towards 150, 155. I'm not going to call it and say that's going to happen today, but it could happen today. I mean, we've seen this thing catch fire and go up 15% randomly, and the chart looks great. So I think at some point this week, I'm not saying it's for sure going to happen, but we could continue towards 150, 155 on GameStop. This looks really good. Let me see if AMC is following suit. Not yet. AMC still got to break about $13. We're almost there. AMC is only up 0.2% on the day. So this has to go up another 50 cents at least, and we'll see what it does from that point. Oh my God, look at Tesla, guys. Tesla's up 11.5% today, well above the 50 on this 4-hour chart, but it's about to test the 180 SMA right around 740, 730. So you got to watch out for that point. If that point breaks, maybe we make a run to $800 rather. I don't know where I got 300 from. $800. Maybe we go to that point. And end phase, which I called out last night in that night video, if you guys caught that, end phase is up 6%, up 196 $296 today. It's up 6% on the day thus far, and it seems like the breakout is continuing. With today's big move, we actually broke out of the highs from last week, or one of the highs from, I think, Wednesday. We're also breaking out of the 50 SMA. This, if it cracks 200, guys, 215 is right around the corner, and maybe 215 breaks, there's a lot more upside from there. So I'm going to set my alert right now at $200. Mark is at or above on end phase, ticker symbol ENPH, and we will see what it ends up doing from there. So let's run through some other stocks here. Maybe crude oil. Let's see what oil's up to today. It's currently, like I said, about 11. Well, now it's 11.25. And we have crude oil at $110 a barrel still, 109, 110, right around that point. And there's really not much that has changed here. We're still holding the uptrend on the 4-hour chart. We're currently up 2% on the day, so I guess that's good. One thing that's a little bit negative here, I'll be honest, is we're under the moving averages. So we got to get out of the moving averages here on the 4-hour chart. And we got to break out of about 111, 112 a barrel. That was support back on the 1st of June. Now it's resistance. If we take that point out, start moving 115 plus, that's going to be very positive for crude oil. So watch out for that move there to the upside. XLE on the flip side here, which is an energy, if I could talk today, guys, ETF. This is up 5% on the day. Also looking like it's fighting to hold the uptrend. So let's see if we get some sort of comeback here on XLE this week, maybe next week at some point here in the near-term future. So we're about 9 minutes in. Let's see what else we can talk about. Maybe big tech. What else is moving today? Tesla's moving. The crypto stocks are moving. I don't really want to talk about those in this video. Snapchat's moving a bit. Nvidia's hovering at 170. I still want Nvidia down to the 120 buck range. Who knows? If this bear market gets really uglier, maybe, let's put it that way, Nvidia, it's gonna potentially get there, and that's where I'm gonna be buying Nvidia. I also want to buy Ford in this bear market. Ford's getting awfully close to where I would buy a little bit at, and if it gets under, let's say, $10, I'd buy even more. So I think I'm gonna buy a little bit of Ford between $10, $11, maybe just a little bit, right? Nothing crazy, maybe 100 shares or something, or maybe 75, or just a very little initial position, and watch it from there. And if we get uglier, if the bear market gets uglier, guys, $9, $8 on Ford, $7, that's where I'd be buying heavier. I don't want to buy, because if we get into a nasty recession, automobiles, I mean, Ford might go through it. It's going to struggle a bit, but I don't think it's going to go out of business. So I do want to get at the suppressed levels. I want to get the stock, whether that be $5, $7, whatever. I want to buy Ford during this bear market. Obviously, I'd buy more if it got under $10, like I said. And I've said that a lot of times here on the channel. So I guess with that being said, oh, look at that, Google. I was about to end the video, but I saw Google here, guys, up over 4%. Oh, man, that's good. That's a good day for me, because Google's my biggest individual stock. I just realized it's up over 4%. So I guess with that being said, let's end off the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe, drop me a comment. Let me know your thoughts down below, and join my Patreon if you want all my morning update videos that are exclusive to the Patreon members. You get all my buys, sells, call outs, a bunch of exclusive perks, link down below, or you can go to stocksurfest.com/Patreon. And don't forget to get your 10 stocks from Moo and your 6 stocks from Webull. It's literally free money. That's linked down below. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.